So I'm Paul Butler, the Managing Director of Rotec Engineering. I'm on the way to work this morning and decided we were going to do a video blog about who we are, what we do and where we're going. Our ambition is to be the most advanced subcontract manufacturing outfit in the UK, using all the latest technology, which obviously is super expensive, and so it's taken us a bit of a while to get where we want to be so far. So this is Vale Park. We're pretty proud to be housed on Vale Park. It's quite a prestigious business estate in Evesham. Great connections, the M5 both directions. So we're just heading into our little part of the estate, which is ours now. We own the site here. We've got about 3 acres on Vale Park. This is the old building, which we're going to put up outside and just go and check it out. You can see it looks a bit tired now we've moved all the machinery out. But we'll have a quick look and then we walk up to the new factory, which is completely different. So this is the old building. Certainly got our money's worth out of this one. So these are our old offices here. We built this ourselves. It was where we started mainly as when we first started as a serious subcontractor. Very small, compact. We had to make the best of what we had, really. It's looking a bit tired now. We've had our money's worth out of them, and they've done us proud. But now it's, as you'll see from the new building, it's completely different, which is fantastic. A lot of small offices here, which kind of felt like a good idea at the time, but actually everybody's got their own little place and nobody knew what each other was doing, whereas now we're all in one big office, which is awesome. So we can just shout at each other across and, hey, Dave, what's going on over there? And it kind of works really well, to be honest. I can't believe that if we had all our machines in here, the amount of machines we've got in a new place, you'll be amazed. Actually, it's incredible we've actually got them all in here, to be honest. So we're going to take a walk up there now and I'll show you the difference. So yeah, as I was saying, we're going to decided to start doing this video blog. We just, we're really proud of our new factory, our new building, and we want to kind of make the best out of it. So we're going to start talking to our customers regularly, and or anyone else that's interested in who we are, what we do, and where we're going. It's quite an interesting story. A lot of people tell me anyway. This is our new building here. You can see it looks pretty cool. We've got actually got a sign on the side. First time in 15 years we've actually had a sign saying Rotec Engineering. We call this our Advanced Manufacturing Centre because that's exactly what it is. We've got some really cool kits in here which we're going to take a look at in a minute. This is our new reception area. As you see, it's not finished yet. Let's excuse the noise of the guys working up here. There's currently developing phase 2, which is going to be a really cool staircase here, which we're designing and building ourselves. And there's offices, boardroom, training school, and our tool room going upstairs. It's actually a 15-inch solid concrete floor, so we put CNCs up there also, which is pretty cool. So we're going to take a walk through into our office. You have to excuse the motorcycles. We've got some for the building work. I don't want to get too listed. So we've got our main sales office and production office. So here all the orders are processed, and also we've got our design team on this end doing the CAD/CAM work and the jigs and fixture design. We've got this big open plan design here, so we can all talk to each other, shout instructions across the office, etc. And a meeting area across the other side. We all get together regularly to talk about the projects, what we're working on, and where we're going. Now we walk out to the shop floor through our metrology, where we measure all our parts, make sure the qualities are standards. This is the new machine we put in as we moved into this new building. We've got our old machine here, which is a small machine. All these things are fully integrated with our CAD system, so we can upload models into them and write programs offline, etc. So this has become a big part of our business now. One of the bottlenecks for pretty much everything we do has to be 100% inspected. These are where we keep our new generation machine, a DMU50 machine here, which is a full 5-axis simultaneous machine where we do a lot of work for Formula 1, aerospace. You may have noticed, if you've seen any of the videos we put out recently on YouTube, just generally about the new building, you've seen some of this robotic technology we've recently invested in. I'm finding this to be really quite effective in terms of where before we got ghosted by machines loading parts in. This thing takes all that pain away, and we can retrain some of the guys to actually operate these machines rather than just pressing buttons all day, which is great for them and good for us. So this is our new workshop. obviously it's very different to the old one. We've got the upstairs, which has got 5,500 square feet, so we've not actually finished that yet. We're still working on that right now. This is the first time we've actually had all our CNC machines in one place at one time. Up until now we've had different buildings on this site where, you know, a milling shop, a turning shop, sliding head shop. When we first moved the machines in, we kind of thought, we all stood back and looked and thought, wow, I can't believe we've got so many machines, to be honest. It's incredible, but there you go. Come on, I'm waiting. So when we were out in the reception area earlier on, we were talking about the new lift and the staircase that we were designing and building. Well, this is doing some of this here now. You can see on the CAD screen. That's going to be a galvanised steel staircase with a wooden treads, which would be quite cool, we think, with a bridge that goes across from the lift shaft to the second floor, which would be really cool. So I'm not sure where the inspiration for that came. It might have been Star Wars or something. So I hope you enjoyed the tour there of the new facility. This is my new office, which is pretty cool to have an office of my own like this where all the magic happens. Well, probably not actually. But so I hope you like the new facility. Enjoy this kind of first episode, and looking forward to the future. Really, we'll keep you posted with the new events, and as this development moves forward with phase 2, we'll keep you posted, and hopefully you'll enjoy the content. Thank you.